What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Karen J, and we are out in the parking lot waiting on the rest of our teammates to join. And you hear the little boy in the background. I'm gonna give him some drink real quick, but it's our bowling day. So y'all, I want to take y'all on a tour of what is Karen J doing. What is her life all about? Well, I love bowling. I bowl in tournaments and in leagues, and I'm getting him a refill real quick. So I can't wait to show y'all how. I'm not saying I'm a professional by no means, but I do love to bowl. And to answer your question, yes, I do bowl with my nails. All right, so y'all come on in and let's see how I do today. All right, y'all, as promised, I am here to practice. I got my team here, and let's see how your girl do on today. We are in game 1, and let's see how I do today. And you hear the kid in the background, but let's see what happens. Alright, y'all, as promised, game 1, I ended up with the 196. I'm going to show you, I did pretty good for today's practice on game 1. I got 2 more games to see how I do. But game 1 was 196. Let me show it to you. Alright, you see there, I am the second person, 196 for game 1. Alright, y'all, it's the end of game 2, and your girl came in at 155. Let me turn around to you. If I can go in. See that? 155 at the end of game 2. Let's get started on game 3. Alright, y'all, we are at the end of game 3, and y'all, I'm so proud of today. Today was a good day practicing. I ended up game 3 at 185. So let me turn around and show. See? Can you see I'm KK, and there is my 185. So y'all, that's gonna do it for your girl on today. Thank y'all so much for coming bowling with me, practicing with me. I'll see y'all on the next Karen